Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to enable like QR code scanner feature by going to settings, and here you just have to enable scan QR codes, but like you have this feature enabled by default, so if you like accidentally disabled it, you go here and enable it like this. And now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, immediately as device spots it, it shows like the suggestion to open at this link in browser, or just copy it. And that's how you can like check what's in this QR code so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.